Hey YouTube, it's Andrew. So I haven't been posted a video in a while. My computer got a virus. It pretty much wiped out my entire computer. I was waiting to get a reboot disk and I finally got one. It's been 2 weeks. I got a new bike over the time that I've been out, and my hair is now blue, which is pretty epic. But yeah, I wanted to do a bike check on it, so here it goes. Okay, let's start the front first. Primo grips, really soft and they're comfortable as hell. Tetra lever, I'm running brakes on this now. Org top cable. S&M redneck stem, really solid, so I like it. My Miraco front, double wall. Hoffman pegs, front and back. My 41 thermals, but I'm trading these probably this weekend, maybe for a set of fit forks. So, yeah, there's the frame. 2008, I think, Hoffman Condor frame. It's all chromoly. It's a full chromoly frame, so it's pretty tough. Org bottom cable. I don't know what the fuck this is. Had to add to the blue. Sealed Primo tenderizer pedals, which actually got me the other night pretty well when I was trying my foot jams, which I'm getting better at, by the way. My demo cranks, 48 splines, fit sealed bearings, Hoffman clamp, Hoffman post, and my Hoffman seat, which is getting worse. The more I ride, the more worse it gets. Got a new Fly 30 tooth sprocket. A lot of these parts weren't on this bike. I switched them out. But, yeah, so the new 30 tooth. And then I got my old rim back, which I'm pumped. It was on my old Haro, and then I traded it, and now I got it back because I traded it again. But my Alex Super E, you can see my reflection in it. Triple wall is barely ridden when I traded a guy. It's Alex Super E triple laced to a sealed poverty hub. The only down flaw is it's a 16. So I'm running a 30-16 gearing. But I don't think it's going to be too bad. But high PSI snafu knob job tire on the back, and just a generic one on the front. Yeah, that's about it. The old rim that was on it was this one, which is all my friend's stolen. But it was an Odyssey Hazard Light, but I haven't aired it up yet. I traded last night. So yeah. Well, that's it. Hopefully I should have footage up probably later today if me and my friend go riding, which we're probably going to because it's beautiful out. So yeah, till then.